Hey y'all, today I am filling up my fancy little containers here. These are actually containers for the red grapefruit. My husband eats those, and so I like to keep these little containers, getting tongue-tied. And what I do is I put my mashed potatoes in there, because will not fit there. I can turn it like this, but then the box is open. The potatoes will wind up probably all over the place inside my cabinets. And you can see right there while I've got it pointed up there, I also put in these containers, those are mayonnaise jars and peanut butter jars, and another one in the back is the grapefruit jars that I have my beans that I cook. Because I rotate them from, like, I have some in mason jars, and this just happens to be like an overflow of them that I will be cooking sooner, so I just put them in this, and I vacuum seal the air out of the mason jar ones. But anyways, if I didn't put my mashed potatoes in here, well, that's where this box has been sitting, along with some future jars that I'll be using as soon as he finishes off his peanut butter. And yeah, that doesn't look pretty sitting in your kitchen like that, so those mashed potatoes will be going in those, and this is some of my other containers. These are mayonnaise, and of course that's the grapefruit. And I keep my containers, and I put my bacon grease, and then this one's bacon grease, but if I do hamburger meat, I'll put it in a separate jar, and this is a peanut butter jar. And look, Cool Whip topping. No, I've got my bacon. I keep bacon cooked around here, especially now. I keep it cooked up around here because I've just started keto, and I've lost weight so far from that. So I recommend to look into the keto way of eating. It's pretty awesome so far. I don't feel like it's a diet. I basically have been cutting out my sugar and bringing my carbs down to like 20%. So it's pretty awesome. And I'm not really feeling deprived. I'm still eating the same. I'm just not. I'm a big pasta eater. I like to eat mashed potatoes and fried potatoes and baked potatoes, and I have not had potatoes in I think 4 weeks now. So I haven't had any pasta or any baked potato, any kind of potato so far. So, but okay, now also this is a peanut butter jar. My husband buys cookies, and the package will stay half open on the counter, and it drives me nuts because it gets little crumbs all over the counter. So I put his cookies in one of his peanut butter jars. So I'll stick this in here. And actually, I'll bring these in here because I have one that I need to fill up. And also, you can get these containers, which is a little smaller than the grapefruit. It comes with the peanuts. So as soon as he empties that one, I will put rice or, whatever. And then this grapefruit one, I had hot chocolate that comes in, you can buy the big box with all the little packets. Well, the box was half empty, and I didn't want the box to take up a lot of room, so that's what I put inside there, is those. I had cornflakes on top of my refrigerator. It was, I'm thinking it's 2.5 years ago, and I've actually recently opened these, and they're still crunchy, and they do not taste stale or anything. I don't know if y'all can hear that crunch, but if I wasn't, and see, that's chicken right there, I shouldn't even be eating this, but just to show y'all that they're still crunchy. If I wasn't on keto, I'd be still eating those. And then I have some in this mason jar right here on that. So the mashed potatoes, I've already put some in the other one, and I just pour them in there. Like that. hopefully, maybe I can get them all in here. I can get them packed down. Because I've already put some in that other container. And if I can fill this one up, then I can finish out that container. And I like to buy these bigger boxes. Because I don't have to buy them as often. But if I can get them all inside this one, that would be awesome. Alright, I got them all in there. So I will just put a little lid on it. And that empties that box, and that will go into the trash. And here's another thing I do. I save all of our juice bottles that are like this. This one has like a little handle thingy on it. But what I do is I keep these, and every time I feel empty them, I clean them out, and then I'll fill them up with water, because I can use these to drink. I also buy water, and I have other ways to filter water and to be able to drink. I have a swimming pool. That's a lot of water for me too. But I want to have a lot of water. You need a lot of water to help around your house. And so what I plan on doing, I actually have water in these containers like this out in another area. Instead of wasting that water, and it's about to be spring, I'm going to take that water and I'm going to use that to water my garden and my flower, you know, around my house. And probably water my chickens. As a matter of fact, I just got some new baby chicks, so I will do a video on those. And I'm excited about getting those in their coop. And so this is what I've been doing today. And I haven't been doing a video. I think it's been a week or a week and a half since I've done my last video. And the reason why is because I'm trying to get my booth where I sell things for my prep items and, you know, just a little extra money. I've been trying to get we actually moved to a different location. We have the other one, but we moved to another location it's a little cheaper. The booth is a little cheaper, and so we're trying it out to see if we may make that a permanent place for where I'll be selling stuff. So that's what I've been doing. It's been keeping me busy, and I have lots of stuff to do, y'all. I've got grass that we have been getting so much rain around here. I've got grass that needs to be cut. I cleaned my flower beds out. I actually need to get back out there and clean where some of the grass is starting to grow, and some of them. Well, and then my turnip greens, like a lot of rain. I've gotten a lot of rain, and it's actually, they've been growing like really good. And I've got to get my seeds started. We've got this cold spell coming in this week, and so I got to get my seeds started. And so hopefully I can get that done, and I can get a couple more videos done. And I will talk to y'all later. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and y'all have a great day. Bye, y'all.